skyline shines with a certain light, and I know you're sick of it, but I know a happy out nearby. And there's a possibility that one day things will get better. Oh, the heart of masses in between the shadows and the stars, floating empire of our friend white. And I'll get it when winter light a blanket by the fire. When Christmas arrives, just buy cheaper wine and hang on to safe weather. The constellations all together or not. 4 years in Brooklyn, and happy birthday, darling, when we feel young again.